Water is an essential component of our body and plays a vital role in maintaining the pH balance of the body, metabolic processes, delivering useful products, and clearing waste products, while functioning essentially in nearly all major organ systems of the body. The health benefits have been accepted by the medical experts across the globe. It is most abundant component present on this earth. Backaches. The back of our body rests on spinal cord. The spinal disc core is made up of a large volume of water and dehydration, which leads to the back pain in many individuals. Constipation, heartburn, migraine, gastritis, and ulcer. A number of disorders are related to water deficiency. Constipation, heartburn, migraine, gastritis, and ulcer can all be prevented by drinking modest amount of water routinely. Kidney stones. According to International Kidney Stone Institute, 2 liters or 10 glasses must be consumed each day to prevent the formation of kidney stones. Water is the best solvent and its property does not allow salt and minerals to accumulate to form stones. The salt reaching kidney gets diluted and eliminated in the urine. Cardiovascular disease. Water can prevent cardiovascular disorders to a large degree. It maintains proper viscosity of blood and plasma and fibrinogen distribution. Therefore, adequate hydration of vascular component is advisable. Rheumatoid arthritis. Joints in our body are prone to continuation friction and weathering. These can be maintained in proper shape by the intake of proper amount of water. A decrease in water consumption may lead to rheumatoid arthritis. pH balance. The human body maintains a pH range of 7.35 to 7.45 for proper physiological processes. An acid shift may lead to the sickness and inability of the body to assimilate vitamins and minerals. Thus, it should be above the value of 7, which is favorable to the body's oxygen uptake, high energy levels, and a better immune response to diseases. Body temperature. Much of the human body is made up of water, and this fluid is responsible for the regulation of body temperature. We undergo perspiration in summers to dissipate the excess heat in order to lower our temperature. This temperature regulation property has been attributed to water as well. Osteoporosis. According to the research conducted by the Linus Pauling Institute, individuals drinking adequate amount of water have reduced risk of osteoporosis and hip fracture. Breathing. Water plays its role in distributing the oxygen all over the human body while collecting the carbon dioxide from all these parts and dissolving these gases. Metabolism. Water is a carrier for oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to the body's part and also provide a medium for removal of toxins, dead cells, and waste materials. The protein and enzymes involved in various fundamental processes also require water for their proper functioning.